Cymone.
Hey y'all, so today I have a quick install featuring Alipearl hair. So before we get into the video, this is what came inside my box. I received a HD wig cap, some Alipearl lashes, a elastic band, and also a cute silk bag to store the wig in. And this is how the wig looks straight out of the box. This wig did come pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So before installing the wig, I applied my HD wig cap, and I'm using some Got To Be freeze spray and just applying this to the hairline. Then I'm going in with my kitchen scissors, and I like to cut the ear tabs and also right in the middle before I go in with my razor. Using the razor just makes it look a lot more seamless than using the scissors. So here's how the wig looked after I bleached the knots. I didn't do any plucking. So I went in with some powder and applied this to the wig cap, and then I also used my scissors and I went ahead and cut off the ear tabs. Just using my hot comb and trying to lay down any flyaways before I go in with my Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just applying this to the hairline of my wig cap. Then you just want to use anything flat to spread out that glue. After that, I just lined up the glue with the hairline of the wig and went ahead and laid this down. And then I used my elastic band to melt the lace into the skin. And while I have the elastic band on, I'm just going back in with my hot comb. So after that, I took off the elastic band, and it's time to cut away all of that extra lace that we don't need. So now I'm going in with my mini flat iron. I'm just using this to curl the piece that I'm using as the baby hairs, and then going in with a little bit of Got To Be gel. I just applied this onto the edges and started using my edge brush to mold them into place of how I wanted them. Once I felt like everything was in place, I went in with a little bit of powder and applied this to the lace to kind of blend it in a little bit more. And then I'm going back in with my elastic band and tying the wig back down to get it to melt into the skin even more. And then going in with a little bit of concealer. I'm just applying this to the parting area to make it look a little more natural. And now it's time to style the hair. So I'm just cutting away some of the hair in the front to frame my face a little bit more. And then going in with my curling iron, I'm just curling my bangs. And this hair came already naturally curled, so I didn't have to do too much styling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick and easy install from Alipearl hair. Make sure you guys check out any links down below to shop. This is the perfect color for fall. I have been loving this wig. The hair is so soft, just bomb. So hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, Killers.